Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're taking a look at the latest Starbucks Stanley Quencher in the 40 ounce in lime green color. Now when we walked into our nearest Starbucks, we saw not one, but two of these coveted Starbucks Stanley Quenchers. And while I can't say this is my cup of choice, I know it definitely is for some. Now this variation is a bright lime color, and I really do think it is a lime color. It has the slightest sparkle and kind of glowing iridescent-y type of feel to it, but either way you look at it, this is going to make a statement. Now this does retail for $54.95 US dollars or $75.95 Canadian. It is dishwasher safe, which is always a plus, but it is not meant for the microwave. If you have experience with these quenchers, please do leave a comment down below and let us know how you like it. And of course, let me know if you're going to pick up this color if you get the opportunity. I do know that these are very limited drops. However, seeing two of them in my local store kind of threw me aback, and I checked online for the resale value and it looks like they've started to fall in price. Maybe that means they're producing more or that they're more accessible, but in any case, let me know your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching and be sure to subscribe.